In this video, we're going to talk about how to make $10,000 per month on YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel, we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Okay, so as you know, YouTube is one of the best places right now to make money online. And that's mainly because you're able to build an audience, you're able to make money with the ad revenue program, and at the same time, you can make money with affiliate programs or promoting your own products and services. So what I want to talk about in this video is how to reach $10,000 per month on YouTube. I'm going to show you some examples that I found on YouTube channels who actually make over $10,000 per month. The cool thing is that some of those channels don't even show their faces. Some of those channels are built using videos from other sources, and at the same time they have videos created using pictures and music. So I'm going to show you those YouTube channels so you can see that if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel to launch a business or perhaps make some money, or because you're passionate about something, it might look like there's a lot of competition on YouTube, but there's actually a lot of space for everyone who wants to start a YouTube channel and wants to turn it into a full-time income. So let's talk about the first way to make $10,000 per month on YouTube. And the first way is using affiliate marketing. If you go and watch this video right here, this is a video where I talk about how I made over $5,000 with a single YouTube video, no subscribers, not getting a lot of views, and that video was able to pull over $5,000. So I want to show you the power of affiliate marketing. So I'm going to put a link to that video in the description below so you can see it and watch it, and you can apply some of the techniques that I talk about in that video. But hands down, affiliate marketing is perhaps the best and fastest way to generate over $10,000 per month on YouTube, because you're able to monetize your channel right away. You don't have to wait for 1,000 subscribers. You don't have to wait for 4,000 hours of watch time. You can just start monetizing your content right away with affiliate programs. I've seen YouTube channels with less than 10,000 subscribers who are pulling 6 figures per year, mainly because they have their own products and services, or they have really good affiliate programs. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, go ahead and download my free affiliate marketing guide below. It'll show you exactly how you can start an affiliate marketing business, how you can use YouTube, Facebook, and other resources to actually make a 6-figure income online. Now, the second way to make money with YouTube is the YouTube Partner Program. This is where you get approved into the AdSense program offered by Google, and YouTube actually places ads on your videos. There's YouTubers who have made millions of dollars with the YouTube Partner Program because they have built a massive following. In fact, just a few days ago, I shared exactly how much money I had made last month with the YouTube Partner Program. So you can see that you don't need a lot of subscribers. If you want to make an extra few $100s per month, if you want to make an extra $1,000 per month or more, you don't really need 100,000 subscribers to be able to do that. You just got to pick your niche and know exactly what type of content pays the most amount of money. All right, so I want to show you the channels. I want to show you the YouTube channels who are making over $10,000 per month. So you can see that they're not doing anything special. This is something that you can do. This is something that I can do. But if you do like creating videos, doesn't matter if you want to show your face or not, there's a lot of opportunities on YouTube right now for anyone who wishes to just build a business on YouTube, or just do it for fun and actually turn it into a full-time income. So I'm going to jump into my computer so I can show you those YouTube channels right now. Alright guys, so the first channel that I want to show you is called You Suck at Cooking, and this is a pretty funny channel, pretty creative, because there's a lot of cooking channels on YouTube that has recipes and things like that, but this one is completely different. They just make a mess out of every single meal they try to make, and it's pretty funny. It has 1.6 million subscribers, and if you go and check the Social Blade, you can see that they have only 89 videos. That's it. They only made 89 videos with over 150 million views, and over the past 30 days you can see that they actually generated over 4.2 million views, and the monthly estimated earnings is just past $17,000 per month. So they're getting a lot of views on a daily basis with only 89 videos. I've seen channels who post once or twice per day who are not able to pull numbers like this. So these guys are definitely doing something good, and they're making a 6-figure income. The second channel that I have for you is a toy channel, and these are very popular on YouTube right now. Kids just love this type of videos. And it's basically just playing with different toys, and they just buy different toys. They just play around and just create voices and things like that, and they make it fun for kids to watch this type of videos. And the views that they're pulling, it's truly amazing. For example, this one toy put in TV, 23 million subscribers. If we go and check the Social Blade, 265 million views over the past 30 days, and the estimated monthly earnings is between $66,000 to $1.1 million per month. So this is definitely a serious amount of money, and these guys are pulling millions of views every single day. Amazingly, the channel was created in 2014, so it's been around for just a few years, and they've been able to build this into a multi-million-dollar business. The next channel that I want to show you is called Dark 5, and this is an interesting channel because if we go back to the first videos that they actually made, they just started with simple text and images and music, and those videos generated a lot of views, and it was basically just lists of top 5 things. And you can see haunted places. If we go back and check some of those videos, you can see that it's mostly just music, text, and images. That's it. And they built a following of 2.2 million subscribers. If we check the Social Blade, you can see that the estimated earnings are between $689 per month to $11,000 per month. So I bet they actually are making way more money than this. And if we go down, you can see the amount of views that they're pulling in on a daily basis with 435 videos. So this proves that you don't have to show your face if you don't want to. You just have to be unique, and you have to create content that people want to watch. It doesn't matter if you show your face or not. As long as the content is interesting, people will watch. The next channel that I have for you is called 5 Minute Crafts, and this channel has 52 million subscribers. And in most of those videos, they don't show their face. It's mostly videos about, you know, funny hacks and things that you can do at home. If we go and check the Social Blade, you can see that they're pulling in massive numbers of views, 481 million views in the past 30 days, and an estimated monthly earnings of $120,000 to $1.9 million per month. The next channel I have for you is proof that you can make money on YouTube using other people's videos. This channel is called CC2 Driving Fails. And it has 536,000 subscribers, and what it does is basically compilation videos. They don't make their own videos, they just create and compile all those videos and put it into a single video for people to watch, and they have been able to build a decent following. If we go and check the Social Blade, you can see that the estimated monthly earnings is about $16,000 per month. And if we go down, you can see that they're pulling about 200,000 to 300,000 views per day. So they're definitely making money doing this. And again, they're not showing their face. They're just using other people's videos, and mostly they're creating something brand new that people want to watch. So as you can see, there's YouTube channels who are making a ton of money by creating content for YouTube. Some of those people are making money with affiliate marketing. Some of those people are making money just with the YouTube ad revenue program alone. I make money from the YouTube partner program and affiliate marketing, and I often make more money from affiliate marketing on my YouTube channel than the actual partner programs. So there's a lot of opportunities right now for anyone who wants to start a YouTube channel and turn it into a full-time business that allows you to maybe quit your day job and basically turn your hobby or your passion into a full-time business. So guys, I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I post videos like this every single week, and I hope to see you on my next video.